In just under 5 minutes, I'm going to transform how you create content. Many of us think that making a whiteboard animation video is a challenge and requires expensive software. Well, in this video I'll be teaching you how you can easily create it. Watch till the end, as I will show you how you can easily edit the video and give you one secret website to generate voiceover for your video. This means you can kickstart your YouTube or TikTok channel right away. Take this channel. For example, they create simple explainer videos, but the animation style makes them incredibly engaging. With the power of AI, whiteboard animation has been very strong and can be used in such as business storytelling, finance, health, biography, and more. While others are making lengthy tutorials, I've decided to keep this video short and sweet, so everyone will be able to do all this by the end of the video. So let's get started. I will generate idea from Chatgpt. I have chosen 5 business ideas. I will link prompt in the description. Then I will go to Canva. Choose any format you like. I normally select video format. Now go to elements. We will search for sketch. Since our video is about business ideas, we will use money and growth icons. I will use other elements which relates to my story. This is nice image of people talking. Now adjust. Press Ctrl+T for Windows and Command+T in Mac. Now, add text. Now, write your desired text. I will change font style and give it some effects. You can easily choose any effects in Canva, as I have shown you how to create storyboard. I will fast forward it for creatives, so that it saves your time. Okay, now here is the main part. You need to click on share button. Then make sure you download the file in PNG format, not MP4. Then your file will download shortly. Now you need to again create a blank page by going to File, then select Video. A new blank page will open. Now go to Apps and search for Speed Painter. Select with the dog icon. Now you choose the file, which you downloaded previously. Now select sketch duration. I prefer 3 or 5 sec. Select color fill duration. Make sure you select sketch fill and color fill duration. Click generate. Click add to design. Now adjust. Now do this same step for your other designs. Since it's the same process, I will speed up the video. As promised in the beginning of the video, free website for voiceover. Go to uberduck.com. I will give you the link in the description also. Sign up. Now go to Chatgpt where I have generated my idea. Now I will select the script for my voiceover. Go to Uberduck and paste it. Click on Generate Speech. Click on this download sign. Now bring the downloaded audio back to Canva and drag it onto your canvas. Adjust the voiceover according to your video. And here it is in fast mode to save you guys some time. We are almost ready with the story. Let me know if it was helpful. Now download the file. And here is the generated story.
5 short business ideas you could explore. Number 1 is AI-powered social media management. Create a service that uses AI to manage social media accounts. Number 2 is personalized AI fitness coach. Develop an app that provides personalized fitness plans and nutrition